It's an exciting time to be alive. But in a world where everything seems possible, why does lunch still look like this? Cheez-It Snap'd couldn't stand by and watch anymore. They decided to banish boring lunches once and for all by deploying a highly trained team of flavor heroes, the Cheddar Twins. Their mission? Save lunch. In 5 U.S. cities, the elite snack squad snatched away bland potato chips and replaced them with the flavorful crunch of Cheez-It Snap'd crackers. The experimental campaign leveled up lunches by delivering samples in high-foot traffic areas in Nashville, New York, D.C., Chicago, and Philadelphia. By distributing nearly 200,000 samples, Cheez-It crushed the potato menace and showed the undeniable power of flavorful lunch, and proved in a world full of Cheez-It Snap'd crackers, everything really is possible.
10 out of 10. These are great. Everyone should try these.
Perfect after lunch snack.
I love these. My favorite snack every single day.